Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that as expected, market gave a closing above 2150. Before I proceed with a video of gold, I would like to clear one thing that in this video hardly I will be talking about any levels because we do not have any new levels on the chart. The picture is not clear, so the number of trading opportunities are also very limited. So if you're watching my videos for the first time and if you're looking for some levels in the market, okay, then I may disappoint you because according to my analysis or according to my understanding of the market is in indecision right now. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's look at the daily chart first. First of all, we need to discuss about the bull flag on the daily time frame. Bullish flag or bull flag is a trend continuation pattern, and this is the main reason most of the time we see bullish flag giving us nice profit. After all, it follows the trend of the market, and at present market is inside the flag. And if you have traded on flag pattern, you must be knowing that as long as market is trading inside the flag, okay, this is our no trading zone. Means we should not trade as long as market is trading inside the flag. And once the market breaks the flag, in this case once market will break 2175 2180, we can go for a buy. And but the problem here is 2200 is the next resistance, but in this case I think the once market will be going up, 2200 will no longer be a proper resistance, and there's a high chance that market will break 2200 and market will head towards 2250 2300. So right now market is inside the no trading zone or inside the flag if we look at the daily time frame. If you're wondering why there is a confusion, then we need to look at the market on the 4 hours time frame, or you can also look at the market on the hourly time frame as well. Okay, so usually we do our analysis on the 1 hour time frame. So let's look at the market on the hourly time frame. We can see a bull flag on the daily time frame, but here on the 1 hour time frame we can see that market is continuously forming lower highs. And if you are a fan of patterns, then you can also call this as an descending triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern is a bearish pattern. Usually in descending triangle pattern we always see market testing a support, and market is also forming lower highs at the same time, and at one point market breaks the support and market starts falling. So we have a descending triangle pattern where market is forming lower highs, as well as we have a bull flag on the daily time frame, and that is pointing towards the upside. So we have a contradiction on the chart of gold right now, so that's why there is a confusion. Okay, so it's better, okay, to wait for the right opportunity because we are retail traders. Okay, it is not possible for us to predict the market. Fundamental factors are not in our hands, so we are always, okay, inclined towards the technical aspects of the market, like drawing lines, looking at indicators. But right now we can see the technical aspects are not very helpful. So in this case waiting is the best thing. See, we are retail traders. One thing you need to understand, that it is not possible for us to predict the market, understand the market at each and every level. So whenever this type of situation comes, you should wait for the market to show the next direction so that we can react accordingly. Means if you see the market is going down, if you see market breaking 2145 and going down, in that case you can look for a sell below 2145. And on the chart of gold, the next best support is around 2115 or 2116. Here we can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, the previous resistance will be working as support. So we have the understanding of 2115. So if market comes to this level and bounces, we can go for a buy. Market is forming a descending triangle pattern. Descending triangle pattern in uptrend market is not very powerful, but still if market breaks the support and starts falling, obviously we can hit the sell button. That we can understand. Okay, but in this particular portion, okay, we are a little confused, so it's better to wait and watch. And if the descending triangle pattern doesn't work, if market starts going up, okay, in that case, okay, you can look for a buy. Okay, you can look for a buy above 2175, 2180. And yes, as I said, there's a high chance that market will break 2200 this time, and it will head towards 2250, 2300. And sadly, this is the reality right now. And if we look at the Xauusd chart on lower time frame, you can see I'm on the 15 minutes time frame right now. On the 15 minutes chart also, you can see that we do not have much clarity. But if you are in deep love with gold, okay, you cannot okay, you cannot trade on anywhere else. Okay, you want to trade, in that case, wait for the market to open. Right after the market opening, if you see gold is going up, you can look for a quick sell for 25 pips around 2164, around this area, 2164, 2165. And you can just be on a trade for 20 to 25 pips. On the other hand, okay, you can also look for a buy around 2150, 2149 if market bounces. But keep in mind, these are the trading opportunities from the 15 minutes chart, 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes chart. So they are not very reliable, means they are risky. Okay, so wait for the market to open. Usually we don't get to see much volatility right after the market opening. So if market behaves like a typical Monday market, you can expect a quick bounce for 30-40 pips around this area, and you can look for a quick sell around 2164. But keep in mind, these are risky. So if you are not in a position to take any risk, if you're looking for reliable trading opportunities, then it's better to wait for the market to give us a proper direction. So if you are unable to understand the market right now, don't be disheartened, don't be disappointed. Okay, it is quite natural. We are small traders. Okay, we are retail traders, small traders. You don't need to make money each and every day. You just need to learn how to survive in the market and how to achieve consistency. And to achieve consistency, you need to be disciplined. You need to learn that as a trader, you don't need to trade every day. We are traders, not gamblers. Traders only trade when the opportunity is right. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much and have a lovely weekend. Bye bye. Take care.